Want to spice up your iMessage conversations with a personal touch? In iOS 26, you can now add custom chat backgrounds. First, launch your settings. Click on the option General, click on the option Software Update, and make sure you have updated your iOS to its latest version. Now, launch your iMessage and open the conversation where you want to change the background. Once you're over here at the top, you're going to find the username. You'll need to click on it. Now here you're going to find the section for background. Click on that. And just for that, you're going to find background option. Or also you can choose any of the picture from your gallery. If you want to do so, click on the option photo. Or else you can select any of the picture from here. Just click on it. Also you can switch between styles. Just swipe. Go through it and select the one that you want to set. Once you select it, click on this icon given at the top right. Just with that, your new background will be updated. So this way you can easily add custom backgrounds to messages. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.